Wow, Urban Style Hub looks cool. Let's see what they've got today.
Good morning. Welcome to Urban Style Hub. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for some new clothes. Shirts and jeans mostly.
Great. Shopping day, huh? What's the occasion?
Nothing special, but I've got a few interviews coming up, so I thought it's time to upgrade my wardrobe.
Excellent idea. You can't go wrong with fresh clothes and confidence. What size are you?
I wear medium for shirts and 32 for jeans.
Perfect. Our men's section is this way. Please follow me. Are you looking for casual or formal clothes today?
Actually, both. Maybe 2 casual shirts and 1 formal one.
Got it. What colors do you usually wear?
Blue, white, and black. They just go with everything.
Excellent taste. Here's our casual collection. This blue one is very popular. 100% cotton, breathable and stylish.
It looks nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. Fitting rooms are right over there.
The medium feels a bit tight.
No problem. Let me grab a large for you. What color did you want?
The blue one, please.
Here you go. How's the white one?
The white one fits perfectly. I'll take that for sure.
Great. By the way, we're offering 10% off if you buy 2 shirts today.
Really? Perfect timing then. I'll take both, blue and white.
Here's our formal collection. Perfect for interviews or office wear.
These look elegant. Which one do you recommend?
For interviews, white always works. It gives a clean, confident look. This one is Italian cotton, premium quality.
Looks fancy, but how much is it?
$45, but totally worth it for the feel and fit.
A bit expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, this one is $35, regular cotton, still stylish and professional.
What's the difference besides the price?
The expensive one stays wrinkle-free longer. The other one needs light ironing.
Oh, I don't like ironing, but okay, I'll take the $35 one.
Smart choice. You'll look great in it. Now for the jeans. What style do you prefer?
Slim fit, but not too tight. I like to breathe.
Totally understand. Try these dark blue ones. They're a customer favorite.
Are they stretchy?
Yep, 2% elastane. Flexible and comfy.
Perfect. Can I try them on?
Sure. You said size 32, right?
Yes. A bit long.
What's your usual length?
Around 30 or 31?
We can alter them for free, but it takes a day or 2.
I actually need them today.
Let's see. Here's a 32 by 30 pair. Try these.
Perfect. These fit much better. I'll take them.
You've got great taste so far. Want to check out some shoes to match your outfits?
Sure. Do you sell shoes here?
Yes, this way please. What style are you thinking?
Something casual but smart. Good for both work and weekends.
These loafers might be perfect. Stylish, soft, and easy to slip on.
Do you have them in block?
Of course. Size?
43.
Here you go. Try them on.
Wow, really comfortable.
They're $60, but we've got 15% off today.
Oh, nice. I'll take these.
Would you like to see some accessories? Maybe a belt or a tie?
Oh, yes. I need a black belt for the formal outfit.
Here's one. Genuine leather, $20.
Looks good. I'll take it.
And for interviews, this navy silk tie would look perfect with your shirt, $15.
Yeah, add that too.
Hello. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, everything's great.
Let's see, 2 casual shirts, 1 formal shirt, jeans, black loafers, a belt, and a tie.
That's right.
Your total is $175 after discounts.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card here. Payment successful. Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Thank you for shopping with Urban Style Hub, and good luck with your interview.
Thanks. You've all been really helpful. Have a great day.